How to use Instagram's Creator Marketplace feature. Well, hello everybody, welcome into the channel. Let me go on it quick and easy and how you can use Instagram's Creator Marketplace feature. Well, the Instagram Creator Marketplace is a platform for creators with professional accounts to connect with brands for partnerships, found in the professional dashboard under branded content. Simply open up Instagram. If you have a professional account, then you'll find professional dashboard. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you should be able to find branded content. Head over to it, and here you'll be able to find the option, right? So here, eligible creators can set up portfolios, receive branded content projects, and get paid with features available in the US and selected international markets. So here you should find the join option, right? And you'll join Creator Marketplace, then follow the prompts to complete your profile. You can showcase your best works, reels, branded content to attract brands, and check the dedicated partnership messages in your DMs for brand requests as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.